I came outside to tape this. Everybody talks about the weird sounds and stuff in the sky. This sound has been going on. I heard it over the TV. We have our window open. First I thought it was a freaking jet. It's not getting any further. It doesn't get any further or closer. It's just a constant sound. In the sky. It's not the wind. I wish I had a flashlight or something to show you the trees. You know, they're not moving. It's not the wind. It's not a highway. Listen to that. I really, really hope this sound is coming out. Listen to that. It doesn't change at all. You know, I wonder, trying to go closer like to the moon so we can see something. But, I mean, every now and then you can hear a car. But that noise doesn't change. There's that moon. Well, there's something walking around out there. It'd be funny if it was my lost cat. Come on, Shadow. Come on, Shadow, Shadow. Look at that, huh? Shadow. Come on, Shadow. Okay, now you can hear a jet coming. Or I can anyway. I don't know how much of this is coming out. So this will be good if you guys can hear the jet coming over. What's that noise? There's somebody, there are people out in the neighborhood. You hear that? What's that noise? Alright, I'm gonna go in and see if any of this is freaking coming out, but this is some very, very freaking bizarre shit. So here, I've been out here for 5 minutes. That noise is fucking constant. Sorry about my language. That noise is constant.